Let's talk about the Movmax Blade Arm. I got this off of AliExpress with a little bit of trouble, but finally got it, and it came with this accessory. One store could not fulfill my order. Another store did fulfill my order. This device is made by a professional movie company. Most of their stuff is large and very expensive. This blade arm is specifically made for smaller cameras. I will be using the Osmo Pocket 3. It can suck onto a car or motorcycle or a golf cart. And then it has counterweights and adjustments that can be done here. Let's open it up, take a look. The suction cup version of the blade arm, along with this loop adapter. Instructions. This has a suction cup cover. Be sure to remove this before use to protect it when not in use. I think this will probably attach nicely to this table. Let's go ahead and do that. Press down the valve until the red line disappears. Okay, so this red line here. Red line is gone. Pretty secure there. This does not rotate at this axis here. Position it before you suction it. You do have this knob. You loosen it, you can kind of move it around, and you'll.
This is going to be the ultimate test because this golf cart is very bumpy. Part of the problem is the location where I put this camera. It's wobbling side to side more than up and down. All right, take two. At 100 ISO, we got a 32 ND filter on there. See how smooth it is. Still wobbling. Golf cart might not be the best option. Guess we'll see what it looks like during editing, huh? The camera's shaking like crazy. Whether it comes out that shaky is yet to be seen. Despite excessive wobbling, the blade arm is holding so far. Oi, oi, oi. Look at those bumps. All right, we're gonna change it and look out to the side. And here we are at the third location. 100 ISO, 32 ND filter. Quite a bit of wobbling still. Yeah, this golf cart just is not the best option here. And it's absorbing, maybe absorbing something. If the video's stable, then this thing really does work. This whole thing just shakes way too much. 100 ISO, 1/60 shutter, 16 ND filter. I'm using the Movmax Blade Arm in the Jeep. It's much more secure in here as opposed to the golf cart. So let's give it a go. Not nearly as much wobbling, I can tell you that. Big bump. Does not look bad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous to put this on the outside of the car. We'll get there. Keeping things nice and smooth. See how it goes. Not nearly as much side-to-side wobbling as the golf cart. Well, not too shabby. A lot of absorption going on there. I like it. I might put it on the outside now. Overexposed, so I'm gonna go ahead and change to 50 ISO. All in all, I think this is a great device to have for your Osmo camera or other camera. Please check out my video linked below where I discuss camera settings, mounting locations, and other useful tips to get the most out of your Movmax Blade Arm.